Here's something exciting. You can schedule your beautiful designs to post on social media right in Adobe Express without even having to leave the app. Okay, that is cool. Now let me show you up close. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist, content creator, and a proud Adobe Express ambassador. Hit subscribe to this channel to get more helpful tips as part of a series. Now let's jump right in. Adobe Express is awesome for many reasons, including the fact that you can design beautiful graphics for your social media platforms, and you can even schedule those graphics to post on your social media platforms, all in one place. Check this out. Here from the dashboard, I'll select an existing project. By the way, in another video, I actually created this design using a cutout with text integrated into the photo. We're building on that tutorial in this video. And if you're curious to check out that tutorial, I'll link to it somewhere on the screen. See this little calendar icon up here? That's available to click when your project is saved, and it's going to take you to the content scheduler. Now I'm going to click it now and show you. Here we can plan, schedule, preview, and publish social posts across all of your channels. If this is your first time using the content scheduler, you'll want to get your social media channels connected. I've connected my Twitter and my Facebook. If you're on Instagram, you can connect that too. Let's say I'm going to post this on Twitter. I'd select that channel and then I'd write a caption, something simple, and I'd end my caption with an emoji, let's say. Why not? By selecting this icon right down here, a little happy face. Next, I'll select a publish date and time. Very simple. Or you can remove the publish date to create an unscheduled post. This area is useful for content we know we want to publish, but we're just not sure when yet. Posts can also be added as drafts by selecting the Drafts button. This will then add the post in a blue box to allow you to easily see which posts are drafts. Content can be moved out of draft by clicking into the post directly and removing the draft checkmark like this. Once your post has been taken out of a draft state, it is now scheduled to be published at a specific time. This is great if you're working with a team or require approvals on content before they're published. You can preview your post by clicking this button. I'm a fan of seeing my content in this way, visualized, exactly how it's going to look when it posts. They do a great job of this. When you're ready, hit that schedule button or save changes button. If it's already scheduled, that's what it will say. And then your post is added to the queue to be published, just like that. Finally, I love seeing my content scheduled at a glance in calendar view. From here, you can click on post directly to make any adjustments on the post itself or its settings. That is Content Scheduler in Adobe Express. I love how easy it is to schedule content to post on social media. I can't wait for you to try Adobe Express for yourself. Don't forget to stay tuned to this channel for more actionable tips weekly to create more, create better, and create faster. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more great tutorials on this YouTube channel.